How to read a text message without opening it on iPhone. So if you want to read a text message without opening it on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply go with the top left of your screen, just scroll down and you will have the notification center. Now here, you can read the text message without opening it. You will have all of these messages right here. But if you want to see the whole message, now as you can see that I won't be able to see the whole message right here. So if you want to see the whole message, you need to tap and hold on to that. And you will have all of that remaining message. You'll be able to read in this way. Or the second method is you need to go back and then open up your messages application. And from here, you need to tap and hold on to that message for a few seconds, and then you will be able to see the message or the chat. So just tap and hold on to that chat, and that's it. In this way, you'll be able to read the text message without opening it on your iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.